Good morning, Pace University. My name is Kaylee Heller. I'm a sophomore. I'm a communications major, and I'm taking you along with us at the open house today. So stay tuned. It's going to be a fun time.
During your 4 years, you will continually update your path, changing it as your interests may change over the years. When you leave PACE, you will be ready for the next step, whether that means graduate school or your
papers called the soft skills, the kind of skills that are important no matter what kind of job you have. The ability to communicate with people orally, in writing, online, to have some analytic skills.
What I did was, I got involved and I surrounded myself with the positive, driven people who were doing, great things, and that's what I wanted to do. So I surrounded myself with those people, and it's definitely
we're the people that laid the foundation for all their students, and I can honestly say this is like my family, and everyone here has always supported and made sure that you had all the tools that you needed to move forward into.
One of the things that we really try to emphasize, I think, in the program is that health sciences is a very large field with lots of opportunities, and people fit very well in a whole range of those sorts of careers based on their skills and what they do well. Just so
Sophomore from Rhode Island. I'm a double major in English and Communications with a journalism minor, and I chose PACE because I wanted to have a community campus with an environment.
Hi, I'm Elise West. I'm a sophomore BFA musical theater major, and I chose PACE because of the great community and tremendous opportunities provided by PACE.
I'm Lauren. I'm from New Jersey. I'm a communications, film, and screen double major, and I chose PACE because of all the resources that it provides for its students.
Offers. So we have this new app called the PACE Safe app, and it has a bunch of really cool features. So there's a map of the campus, and then there's this there's a facet of this in combination with the Writing Center on the second floor are great resources. They have a little bit of a motto, so they're like, oh, if you come into and use our resources, you'll walk away with a level grade higher than you would have achieved without our help. And I can certainly attest to that because my
Alright, so we're going to go tour our two freshman residence halls. First, Maria's Tower, and then second, 182 Broadway. Alright, I'm going to take you guys to our other freshman residence hall, 182 Broadway, which is located only a few blocks away. It's less than 5 minutes, and wow, it's right here. I can't wait to show you guys a room.
Hi, my name is Chet. I'm a junior communication studies and film and screen studies double major, combined with graphic design, and I came to PACE because the sense of community is really strong here, and I treasure that a lot in my life.
Hi, I'm Allie. Hi, I'm Marissa. Hi, I'm Carolyn. Welcome to PACE.
That's the end of the open house. Thank you for following along with me all day, and I hope to see you guys at Pace University next year.